Okie dokie, guys, we're going to expand this. So in order to expand, you have to keep the same base. So it's going to be log base 4, and you have a 4 here. So log base 4, 4. Then you have divide. So divide is minus, so you can have a minus. And then you have log base 4, and the x squared, again, is on the bottom, so x squared. Now, the y is on the bottom, so we divided it. So this is going to be a minus log base 4 y. Now, look at this again. The 4 is on top. You divide it by x squared, so divides are minus. Divided by y, so y is a minus. But that is not completely done. You have to look at this, and you have to now take this 2, jump it up front. Plus, anybody know what log base 4 is? That's actually 1 if you remember. So that's 1 minus the 2 jumps out front. And there's no power, so this stays. There's your answer. Again, log base 4 is actually equal to 1. So that is expanded. You probably would be okay leaving this on sometimes, but you also need to realize it could be this too. Either answer is the same. This one, quite a bit more difficult. The first thing I'm going to do with this one is rewrite it like this. That's my first thing. You should understand the square root is a 1/2 power. So, what that means, again, a square root is a 1/2 power. So what I do here, do you understand I have two things multiplied here? And when we talk about logs, when we're expanding, a multiply is a add. So we write log base 2, 3. That's for the first piece. And then we have a multiply, so that means add. Log base 2, and isn't that 8a to the 5th to the 1/2? So I took these two pieces, I separated them with a plus. But I'm not done all the way. I'm going to take this power, bring it up front. So log base 2, 3, plus 1/2, log base 2, 8a to the 5th. Am I done? No, because look inside of here. Can't I expand those? Aren't those two connected by multiply? So I have log base 2, 3 plus 1/2, and I actually have to put a parentheses because aren't we expanding both of these, and aren't they both have a 1/2 in front? So I expand it. This is going to be log base 2, 8 plus log base 2, a to the 5th. Again, this whole piece broke down to these two. The 1/2 stayed in front. Next, we got log base 2, 3. Could I distribute the 1/2 to both pieces? I could. I'll do it right now. So that's going to be 1/2 log base 2, 8 plus 1/2 log base 2, a to the 5th. Are we completely done? Now, look at this. Do you know what that is? That's actually 3. 2 to the what is 8? That's 3. Write that one. This is going to be 1/2 times 3. What's 1/2 times 3? You should understand this is 3 here. 1/2 times 3 is 3 over 2. And isn't this 5 going to jump up here? Aren't you going to take that 5 and multiply it by the 1/2? So what's 5 times 1/2? It's 5 over 2 log base 2, A. There's your answer. Again, that's this. This piece is 3. 3 times 1/2 is 3 over 2. This, the 5 jumps up front, multiplies by the 1/2. That is a rather difficult